Welcome my YouTube channel LB Computer Formula.
What is a mouse? A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface. Originally wired to a computer, modern mouse is often cordless, relying on short-range radio communication with a connected system. Mouse originally used a ball rolling on a surface to detect motion, but modern mice often have optical sensors that have no moving parts. In addition to moving a cursor, computer mouse have one or more buttons to allow operations such as selection of a menu item on a display. Mouse often also features other elements such as touch surfaces and wheels, which enables additional control and dimensional input. A trackball is a related pointing device was invented in 1946 by Ralph Benjamin. The first public demonstration of a mouse controlling a computer system was in 1968. The Xerox Alto was one of the first computers designed for individual use in 1973 and is regarded as the first modern computer to utilize a mouse. Different ways of operating the mouse cause specific things to happen in the GUI. Click, pressing and releasing a button. Drag and drop, pressing and holding a button, then moving the mouse without releasing. Mouse button coding. Combination of right click, then left click. Combination of left click, then right click or keyboard letter. Combination of left or right click and the mouse wheel. Clicking while holding down a modifier key, moving the pointer a long distance. Multi-touch. This method is similar to a multi-touch trackpad on a laptop with support for tap input for multiple fingers. The most famous example being the Apple Magic Mouse.